Welcome to Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the password of your Xbox Live account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You need to visit the Xbox website to do this. If you don't have a PC or phone to use a web browser, you can also do this using the built-in web browser app on the Xbox. So open up a web browser and go to xbox.com. Sign in to your Xbox account. Note that your Xbox account and Microsoft account are the same thing. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile image at the top right of the screen and then open My Microsoft account. From your account page, select Security from the tabs at the top. Click on Change My Password. You may need to confirm your email to do this. Enter your old password followed by your new desired password. Your Xbox account's password is now changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.